This video is part of the course that is Neo4j with Spring Boot. Link for the course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. In this course, you are going to learn Neo4j. So let's first see what is Neo4j. So Neo4j is the graph database, which is basically type of NoSQL database. So you might be aware of SQL databases like MySQL, MS SQL, or any other SQL database, right? So Neo4j is graph database and that is type of NoSQL database. Now, what is graph? So basically graph is the collection of nodes and relationship between those nodes. If you have background of mathematics, then you might be aware of nodes and relationship between the nodes. And if you are not aware, then don't worry. In the next lecture, we will see the node and relationship in detail. Node.js is being widely used in some well-known companies like Airbus, Walmart, eBay, Adobe, and many other companies. Now, you might be thinking that when to go for Neo4j over the SQL databases. So in SQL databases, what happens when you have complex queries with lot of joins, right? It will slow down the performance of your application because you have lot of joins in your query. So for that particular instance or that particular needs of your application, you need to go for the Neo4j graph database over the SQL databases. So those kind of inner joins queries and all are very faster in the Neo4j graph database. So this is an introduction of Neo4j. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to learn Neo4j? If yes, then I am having complete course on it, that is Neo4j with Spring Boot. In this course, first of all, you will learn basics of Neo4j, and after having the basic knowledge, you will learn to perform CRUD operations in Neo4j. You will also learn to perform AND, OR and IN queries in Neo4j. You will learn different types of constraints available in Neo4j. You will learn how to do pagination and sorting in Neo4j. This course covers how to use different aggregate functions like sum, count and distinct in Neo4j. You will learn to compare string values using contains and starts with queries. In the later part of the course, you will learn how to use Neo4j in your Spring Boot application using Spring Data Neo4j. You will learn to perform CRUD operations using Neo4j repository. After that, you will learn to perform AND, OR and IN queries using Spring Data Neo4j in your Spring Boot application. You will also learn to do pagination and sorting using Spring Data Neo4j. So what are you waiting for? Link for the course is given in the description. Just click on the link and start your journey with Neo4j. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.